Let's dive into chart patterns. Certainly. Let's delve deeper into the types of chart patterns, categorized as bullish, bearish, and others. Bullish chart patterns. Inverted head and shoulders. Description: 3 lows forming a pattern resembling a head and shoulders in an inverted position. Significance: indicates a reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. The breakout above the neckline confirms the pattern. Double bottom. Description: 2 lows at approximately the same price level, forming a W shape. Significance: suggests a reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. The breakout above the middle peak confirms the pattern. Inverted pole and flag, bullish. Description: a sharp upward price movement, pole, followed by a rectangular consolidation, flag. Significance: indicates a continuation of the previous uptrend. Breakout from the flag confirms the continuation. Cup and handle. Description: a rounded bottom, cup, followed by a consolidation, handle, resembling a teacup. Significance: suggests a continuation of an uptrend after a brief consolidation. Breakout from the handle confirms the pattern. Rounding bottom. Description: a gradual rounding of price after a downtrend. Significance: indicates a potential trend reversal to the upside. The breakout above the rounding bottom confirms the reversal. Bearish chart patterns. Head and shoulders. Description: 3 peaks resembling a head and shoulders. Significance: indicates a reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend. The breakdown below the neckline confirms the pattern. Double top. Description: 2 peaks at approximately the same price level, forming an M shape. Significance: suggests a reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend. The breakdown below the middle trough confirms the pattern. Inverted pole and flag, bearish. Description: similar to the bullish version, but the flag is a downward consolidation. Significance: suggests a continuation of the previous downtrend. Breakdown from the flag confirms the continuation. Other chart patterns. Ascending and descending triangles, breakout, breakdown. Ascending triangle. Description: a flat upper trend line and a rising lower trend line. Significance: bullish continuation pattern. The breakout above the upper trend line confirms the continuation. Descending triangle. Description: a flat lower trend line and a descending upper trend line. Significance: bearish continuation pattern. The breakdown below the lower trend line confirms the continuation. Elliott waves. Description: a theory suggesting that markets move in a series of 5 waves in the direction of the main trend, impulse waves, followed by 3 corrective waves. Significance: helps identify potential turning points in the market based on wave patterns. Traders often look for completed wave cycles to anticipate trend changes. Understanding these chart patterns allows traders to recognize potential opportunities and make informed decisions based on historical price movements. It's important to note that patterns should be used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools and risk management strategies for effective trading. Stay tuned for more updates.